All right, hold on to your seats. It's Saturday, February 13th. The garage door has been installed. Hope you appreciate how quiet it is. I'll try to be quiet. And listen to that quiet little beeping. Imagine if you were hard of hearing. So, it looks pretty good. It's a little hard to tell, but there's a light up there, a light there. That's the light that goes on with the garage door. There's also this motion light, which is separate from the garage door, which is triggered, obviously, with motion. More light. So this area here, where most of the cars will be coming in and out and parked, has a lot of light coming on. We'll go over to the control. Ooh, it's chilly out there. And the garage door is slowly closing. It's like 5 degrees Fahrenheit out there. That's cold. Oh yeah, I'm digging it. Finally have a garage door. Because tomorrow, Sunday, I'm coming in with Brian. We're gonna be retrieving stuff out of the garage, which we didn't need. I over-purchased stuff, but it's easy to return. Brian will help me. Garage door is nice because obviously it has the rectangular motif, which the vast majority of all the windows on the front of the house, except for 2, have that rectangular, and the house is rectangular. I know it's a small point, but it's an important one for me. So it's nice finally having a garage door. I like it. Makes me feel like I'm making progress. So for all of you who are warm and toasty, stay warm and toasty. And keep smiling. Talk to you later. Bye.